The food looks delicious today.
I tried a new recipe this morning.
It smells so good from here.
I added some special herbs for extra flavor.
I can see noodles and soup on the table.
The noodles are homemade with fresh vegetables.
That sounds really healthy and tasty.
I always enjoy making light and colorful meals.
The salad looks fresh and crunchy.
I mixed cucumber, tomato, and lettuce together.
The colors make it look so inviting.
A little dressing adds a nice tangy taste too.
The pizza slice looks tempting too.
It's a vegetable pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
I love how you balance healthy and fun food.
Cooking feels more enjoyable when it's colorful.
The sunlight through the window feels so nice.
It makes the meal more cheerful and cozy.
The kitchen looks clean and bright today.
I cleaned it early to start cooking peacefully.
The stove still has something cooking on it.
That's the sauce simmering for another dish.
You always multitask so easily in the kitchen.
I plan everything before I start cooking.
I like how you manage time while preparing food.
Cooking becomes simple when you stay organized.
You seem really confident while cooking.
Practice made me faster and more creative.
The aroma fills the whole room beautifully.
Fresh ingredients always create that effect.
I like the smell of tomato and garlic together.
That combination always wakes up the appetite.
The table setting looks lovely and simple.
Simple designs make food stand out more.
The window view looks calm and relaxing.
I love watching the garden while eating.
The sunlight adds warmth to the atmosphere.
Morning meals feel better with natural light.
Your cooking reminds me of home food.
Homemade meals always carry a special comfort.
I feel relaxed while sitting here with you.
Good company makes every meal enjoyable.
The noodles taste even better than they look.
I'm glad you like the flavor and texture.
The soup feels perfect for this weather.
Warm soup always makes mornings pleasant.
I notice you used a lot of vegetables today.
Vegetables keep the meal light and colorful.
You always focus on health and taste together.
That's the secret of good cooking balance.
I think food brings people closer.
Sharing meals creates lovely memories.
Your passion for cooking really shows.
I enjoy expressing creativity through food.
Do you follow recipes or cook freely?
I start with ideas but change things my way.
That's how real cooking skills develop.
Experimenting helps discover better flavors.
Your food always feels cooked with care.
Cooking with love adds its own magic.
The noodles have a soft, perfect texture.
I boiled them just right to keep them tender.
The soup flavor is mild and soothing.
I used vegetable stock for a light taste.
The pizza slice tastes freshly baked.
The dough was kneaded early in the morning.
I admire your patience while cooking.
Good food takes both time and heart.
The salad dressing tastes refreshing.
I mixed olive oil with lemon juice and herbs.
That makes it tangy and light at the same time.
It balances the richness of noodles and pizza.
The presentation makes the meal more exciting.
I love arranging food in a neat way.
You even match the bowls and plates perfectly.
Little details make dining more pleasant.
Eating together feels like a small celebration.
Every shared meal feels like a happy moment.
I enjoy conversations while eating.
Talking makes food taste even better.
Your cooking fills the kitchen with energy.
Cooking feels peaceful and joyful to me.
The noodles remind me of comfort food.
Warm noodles always give a cozy feeling.
I like the sound of soft boiling from the stove.
That sound tells me food is cooking perfectly.
The sunlight makes the noodles shine beautifully.
Natural light makes everything look delicious.
Your kitchen always feels welcoming.
I keep it neat so it feels warm and friendly.
The smell of herbs makes me feel hungry again.
Fresh basil and oregano create strong aromas.
I love how you use simple ingredients so well.
Simplicity brings out the real taste of food.
The soup looks clear and smooth.
I strained it twice for a perfect texture.
That shows real attention to detail.
Cooking becomes art when you love the process.
The meal feels complete and satisfying.
That's the goal of every meal I prepare.
You always make ordinary days special.
Every meal deserves a little care and effort.
I like your calm mood while cooking.
Staying calm helps the food taste better too.
The noodles twist nicely around the fork.
That makes eating them even more fun.
I like the soft sound of spoons and forks.
It feels like gentle music during a meal.
The morning looks bright through the window.
Clear weather makes breakfast even better.